Ecology is the scientific study of the relationships between living organisms and their environment. It explores how organisms interact with each other and with their physical surroundings, including other organisms, habitats, resources, and environmental factors. Here's how ecology examines ecosystems and environmental interactions. Ecosystem structure and function. Ecology investigates the structure and function of ecosystems, which are communities of organisms interacting with each other and their physical environment. Ecosystem ecology studies the flow of energy, nutrients, and materials through ecosystems, as well as the cycling of matter and the interconnectedness of ecological processes. Biodiversity and species interactions. Ecology examines biodiversity, which refers to the variety and abundance of living organisms in a given area. It studies the distribution, abundance, and interactions of species within ecosystems, including competition, predation, symbiosis, and other ecological relationships. By understanding species interactions, ecologists elucidate the factors that influence biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Population dynamics. Ecology analyzes the dynamics of populations, which are groups of individuals of the same species living in the same area. Population ecology investigates factors such as birth rates, death rates, immigration, emigration, and population growth rates, as well as the density-dependent and density-independent factors that regulate population size and dynamics. Community ecology. Ecology examines the structure and dynamics of ecological communities, which consist of multiple species interacting with each other within a shared habitat. Community ecology studies species diversity, community composition, species interactions, trophic relationships, and ecological succession, elucidating the factors that shape community structure and function. Ecosystem services. Ecology explores the benefits that ecosystems provide to humans and other organisms, known as ecosystem services. Ecosystem services include provisioning services, such as food, water, and raw materials, regulating services, such as climate regulation, water purification, and pollination, cultural services, such as recreational and spiritual benefits, and supporting services, such as nutrient cycling and soil formation. Biogeochemical cycles. Ecology investigates the cycling of nutrients and elements through ecosystems, known as biogeochemical cycles. Biogeochemical ecology studies the movement and transformation of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and other elements between living organisms, the atmosphere, soil, water, and geological reservoirs, elucidating the processes that regulate nutrient availability and cycling in ecosystems. Landscape ecology. Ecology examines the spatial patterns and dynamics of landscapes, which consist of multiple interconnected ecosystems and land uses. Landscape ecology studies landscape structure, connectivity, fragmentation, and land cover change, as well as the ecological processes that operate at multiple spatial scales, informing land management and conservation planning. Applied ecology. Ecology applies scientific knowledge and principles to address practical challenges related to environmental management, conservation, and sustainability. Applied ecologists work in fields such as conservation biology, restoration ecology, environmental monitoring, natural resource management, and ecosystem-based management to develop strategies for mitigating human impacts on ecosystems and promoting ecological resilience. Overall, ecology examines ecosystems and environmental interactions by studying the relationships between living organisms and their environment. By understanding the structure, function, and dynamics of ecosystems, ecologists contribute to our understanding of the natural world and inform efforts to conserve biodiversity, manage natural resources, and address environmental challenges facing society.